Are you looking to write a successful healthcare project in 2024? Look no further. This step-by-step guide will help you navigate the process with ease. First, start by clearly defining the objectives of your project. What are you hoping to achieve? Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Next, conduct thorough research on the current state of healthcare in your area. What are the key issues that need to be addressed? Understanding the landscape will help you tailor your project to meet the needs of the community. Once you have a solid understanding of the current healthcare environment, it's time to develop a detailed project plan. Outline the tasks, timelines, and resources needed to bring your project to life. Don't forget to engage key stakeholders throughout the process. Collaboration with healthcare professionals, community members, and other relevant parties will ensure the success of your project. Lastly, monitor and evaluate the progress of your project regularly. Make adjustments as needed to stay on track and achieve your goals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on healthcare project writing.